This video I'm going to show you something special, and the special website name is answerthepublic.com. So you will know whenever you go inside this website. So Answer the Public is search listing tool for market. So now we are going to click on this. So it's a cool website. What you will get here, I will show you. Discover what people are asking about. Yes, like example chocolate. Enter a topic, brand or product. Use 1 to 2 words base results. Okay, so that means it will give you the keyword ideas, like what people are asking exactly on website or on Google or on different platforms. So let's take the example of India. Okay, so we will search for India, and then we will go for okay, India, whether we crossed or not. Yes, we got India. So on India, let's see talk about motivation. Okay, so use 1 to 2 words for best results. So you can see here, get instant raw search insights direct from the minds of your customers, like sports 4. So whenever you search on Google, you whenever you type something like this, you will get options sorts for big thighs, sorts for dog, sorts for pole dancing. So these are the ideas. Okay, I will show you inside. So whatever you are getting here, you will get the same result there. So let's see what motivation keywords gives us the result. So I have hit the search button. Now let's see what will happen next. So motivation. Okay. So when we talk about compare data, you can do comparison in Pro only. Okay. So you can see here, for the word motivation, people have got 79 questions. Okay. Like motivation, what, how, will, where, who, which, when, why, can, are, what. So this is the like this is the keyword ideas which will help you to bring content for your audience, whether you are a blogger, whether you are YouTubers. It will give you, like you can see. So let's take the example of can. So you can see these are the content ideas. Yes. So can motivation be a strength? Can motivation be increased? Can motivation be plural? Can motivation be measured? Can motivation be learned? So wait. So what motivation for the crusades is full illustrated by this map. So what motivation means? So these are the questions which are well performing on Google. So if you go through these questions, then of course you will get the result. Okay. So you can say here question 79, preposition 56, comparison 40. One of the most cool region, you can say here some more option. Okay, like and versus or. See, first of all, you got some ideas with question marks. Okay, will, where, who, which, when. Then again, can, with, to, near, without, is, for. So motivation is a. So these are the all like content ideas. So whenever you go for or motivation or inspiration, motivation or motivations. So of course this will help you a lot. So if you see, like, let me close this one. They have given like alphabetical wise. Okay, motivation Hindi, motivation hashtags. You just go ahead and search on this, and I think you will get so many things to learn here. But if you want to download these things, okay, you can download as a CSV file, and you can keep on paste on your Google Drive Excel sheet, and you can plan accordingly. And even you can understand which keyword, which word is more, or which question is asked more or several times. So these are the cool features this website have. You just go and check this website features. For now, it's bye bye.